Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple DIY Dollar Tree glam tray. As promised, I was going to do a glam version to this rustic or farmhouse tray. If this is more your style, make sure you check out the link I'm going to put above and also in the description box. But for now, let's get on to the glam. You can use any size, but I'll be using two 8x10 silver frames. And then I'm also going to be using some LED string lights. I have this roll of bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And then also these Dollar Tree silver napkin holders and two decals. One of them is like a mirror decal that says love, and then the other one just says just love, and it's a vinyl one, one that you can peel and stick. And then also two of these handles that were gold. I painted them silver and I bought them at a Restore for like 50 cents. So of course I'm going to start out by taking all of the backing and paper from the frames, and I'm just going to leave them like that. What I'm going to do is take my LED string light and just place it all around the frame, and I'm trying to loop it around the tabs and then setting them down so it sticks and it doesn't move around too much. I decided to use the Just Love decal, but for some reason it wasn't coming off in one piece, so I had to take all the little pieces and just stick them right on there, which didn't look too bad anyways. And then on the mirrored love decal, I just took the little hearts off of there and just put them around the vinyl decal. After that, I went ahead and put some hot glue around the frame. I was really careful to not get it on the wire for the LED lights because I did that once on a different one and it actually burned it and it didn't work. And I had to waste 2 frames. So here we are. As you can see, you can also hang this on the wall if you feel so inclined. On this, I'm going to take my Totally Dazzled bling wrap. You can use Dollar Tree, but again, you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck if you go with a huge roll from Totally Dazzled. Anyways, so I'm just going to take a strip and I'm going to hot glue it and cover the edges of the frame. Then I'm going to hot glue my napkin rings onto the very corner of the frame. There will be a gap between the napkin holder and the glass, but it's not very noticeable and it's not going to make it uneven or anything like that. And through this whole process, I did not realize that my battery pack was not towards the back. I actually did it towards the front like a doofus, and now I have to kind of try to fix it. So what I'm doing is ungluing the bling wrap and putting it to go underneath. I just had a really long day. I always mess up somehow, and I always want to show you guys that, you know, like the perfect result is not reality because I mess up a lot. So what I did is just I glued it to the side and then I bling wrapped it so it wouldn't look too ugly, but you still have access to the tab so you can turn it on and off. What are you gonna do? You guys can skip this part if you'd like, but I'm also gonna take a couple more strips and put it around the frame. My plan to put these handles on the sides backfired when I messed up on the battery pack, so now I'm just going to put them on top of the frame. And so I'm going to take my E6000 glue and also my hot glue and just put it on the ends of the handles and glue them down to the frame. Alright, so here is a final result. I know I had a little mishap here and there, but I think overall it still looks really pretty. And since you guys can see my mistakes, you can avoid them and yours will come out perfect. I really like how these lights look inside of the frame. I'm also going to show you what it looks like with the lights off. If glam is not so much your style and you prefer rustic or farmhouse, make sure that you check out that video I showed you to begin with. I'm going to go ahead and link it above and then also in the description box. But for now, this is it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up. I swear to you, it helps me so much so that I can continue doing what I love and what you guys enjoy watching. Leave any comments down below and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.